Hey guys, Mike Hanselman, owner of Small Arms Pistol Academy, and today I've got another quick tip for you. So I've got the Streamlight TRL1HL flashlight, and you can see this must stick out past my muzzle a little bit because there's a lot of burnt debris at the tip of this, and I'm going to remove it the simplest way I know. Now I could sit here and scrub this and just use enough solution and a cloth and eventually get it off. However, I'm kind of lazy. I don't like doing that. So what I have is just a cheap pencil that has an eraser. And all I have to do is put that eraser on here and start scrubbing it. Now, once you do this a little bit, you can see it's already clearing up. But what you might have to do is grab like a towel or something, wipe it, and then you could start all over again. Just for sake of time, I'm not gonna, just for time, I'm not gonna sit here and actually get it perfect. I just wanted to show you guys the easiest way I know to clean your flashlight, and this is it. Grab a pencil eraser. Sorry, keep pressing that switch right there and turning the light on. But there you go, it's definitely better. You can see I got a lot of that carbon off, and it did not take that long. So if I could actually see what I'm doing and not have a camera in the way, it'd be even better. Alright guys, if you don't rock this Streamlight flashlight on your actual handgun, let me know down in the comments what flashlight you prefer and why. Also, if you could do me a favor, just hit that subscribe button for me. Turn that alert notification on. That way you guys will always be aware when we upload our new videos. Thanks a lot. Take care.